In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome homepage. If your new tab feels a little bland or you just want a space that matches your style and workflow, this quick walkthrough will help you make Chrome feel like it's truly yours. Start by opening a blank new tab. You can do that by clicking the plus icon at the top of your browser window. Make sure you're on Chrome's default new tab page. This is the one that shows the search bar and a grid of site tiles. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a small pencil icon labeled Customise Chrome. Click that, and a side panel will slide out. This panel is your control center for changing the look and feel of the page. Begin with Change Theme. Here, you can browse Google's theme library. If you like a minimal setup, choose a solid color for a clean, distraction-free look. Prefer something more vibrant? Pick a high-definition landscape or another image category to give your homepage personality every time you open a tab. As you click through options, you'll see an instant preview, so you can try a few styles before you commit. Next, move to the Shortcuts section. This controls the tiles in the center of your new tab. If you want Chrome to do the work for you, choose the option that shows the sites you visit most often. Great for quick access with zero setup. If you want full control, select My Shortcuts. That way, you can curate the most important tools and websites you rely on, and they'll stay pinned front and center for easy access whenever you open a new tab. You can also match your browser's toolbar color to your new background for a cohesive look. In the color area, click one of the color circles and you'll see the entire Chrome window update instantly. Tabs, address bar, and accents will all align with your chosen palette. If readability is important to you, gravitate toward higher contrast combinations so text and icons remain easy to see. Take a moment to glance at your changes on the page. If something doesn't feel quite right, simply reopen the Customize Chrome panel and try a different theme or color until it clicks. Nothing here is permanent, and experimenting is part of the fun. And that's it, your browser, your style. With just a few clicks, you've transformed the new tab page into a space that looks great and keeps your most used sites within easy reach. You're all set.